What if you could wear a camera that records in 4K, tracks your location with GPS, sees in the dark, and keeps recording through a long workday? This is the BOBLOV M7 Pro, a feature-packed body camera designed for professional recording, security work, outdoor activities, delivery jobs, and everyday video capture. But with all those features packed into one compact camera, is it actually worth using? Let's find out. Welcome back to Caring Guy. The BOBLOV M7 Pro takes the idea of a traditional body camera and adds some surprisingly advanced features. You've got a 4K camera, 40 megapixel photography, GPS tracking, infrared night vision, a 180-degree rotatable lens, a built-in display, USB-C charging, and a large 4,000 mAh battery. And depending on the configuration and recording settings, BOBLOV documentation claims roughly 14 to 15 hours of recording time. So let's break down what this camera can actually do. First, let's look at the design. The M7 Pro has a compact body that is designed to be worn rather than held. The package includes the camera, a USB-C cable, a fast charger, 2 rotating clips, and the user manual. The 2 included clips give you more flexibility when mounting the camera. You can attach it around your shoulder, chest, pocket, or belt, depending on how you want to capture your footage. And one particularly useful detail is that the clips can rotate, allowing you to adjust the camera's position without constantly repositioning the entire unit. Now here's one of the most interesting features. The main lens can rotate through 180 degrees. That means you aren't limited to one fixed camera angle. Rotate the lens forward for normal body-mounted recording. Turn it toward yourself for selfies or vlogging. Or adjust it to capture a different perspective while the camera remains attached to your clothing. The camera can also automatically adjust the image orientation after the lens is rotated, helping keep the footage correctly oriented. For a wearable camera, that's a genuinely useful feature. Now let's talk about image quality. The M7 Pro is advertised with 4K or 2160p video recording at up to 30 frames per second. That's a major step up from basic body cameras that only record at lower resolutions. The camera is also listed with a 40 megapixel photo capability, so it isn't limited to video recording. For documenting an event, recording a workday, creating outdoor content, or simply preserving important moments, having higher resolution footage gives you more detail to work with. Of course, actual image quality will also depend on lighting, movement, compression, and the recording mode you choose. And what happens when the sun goes down? The M7 Pro includes 4 infrared lights for night vision. In dark or low-light environments, the IR system can help the camera continue recording when a conventional camera would struggle. That could be particularly useful for security work, nighttime outdoor activities, patrols, or recording after dark. Just remember that infrared night vision is designed for visibility in darkness. It doesn't turn nighttime footage into daytime quality video. Here's another feature that separates the M7 Pro from a basic action camera. It has built-in GPS. When GPS is enabled, the camera can record location information along with your video. The recorded route can then be reviewed using compatible GPS playback software on a computer. So instead of simply having a video file, you can potentially see where the recording took place and trace the route associated with the footage. For delivery riders, field workers, outdoor adventurers, and professional documentation, that can be extremely useful. Now let's talk endurance. Inside the M7 Pro is a 4,000 mAh battery. BOBLOV documentation indicates up to around 14 to 15 hours of recording, depending on the configuration and recording conditions. That's enough to make this much more practical for long shifts or extended outdoor sessions than a camera that needs to be recharged every few hours. Charging is handled through USB-C, and the included fast charger is designed to bring the camera back up to full power in roughly several hours.
Keep in mind that features such as higher resolution recording, infrared night vision, and GPS can affect actual battery life.
Another thing I like about the M7 Pro is the focus on quick operation. The updated design uses prominent red buttons that make the recording controls easier to identify. That's important on a body camera because you don't necessarily want to stare at a screen when something happens. You want to be able to locate the recording control quickly. Press, record, and keep moving. The built-in display gives you a convenient way to check the camera's view, review settings, and navigate through the device. And this isn't just a silent video recorder. The M7 Pro also supports audio recording, giving you video and sound together. That makes it more useful for interviews, documentation, vlogging, work records, and everyday situations where the audio is just as important as the picture. Storage is another major consideration for a 4K camera. The configuration advertised for this product includes up to 256 gigabytes of internal storage, although BOBLOV documentation for different M7 Pro variants lists different storage capacities, so buyers should verify the exact storage configuration before ordering. That's important because 4K video can consume storage quickly. If you're planning long recording sessions, always check the exact memory capacity of the version you're purchasing. One of the biggest advantages of this design is versatility. Wear it on your chest, clip it to a belt, attach it around the shoulder, or use it for other compatible mounting applications. The M7 Pro can also be adapted for windshield recording with an optional suction mount, although that mount isn't included in the standard package. So this can potentially serve as a body camera, travel camera, work recorder, or even a temporary vehicle camera. So who is the BOBLOV M7 Pro actually designed for? Security personnel? It makes sense. Delivery riders and field workers? Definitely worth considering. Outdoor enthusiasts? The GPS and night vision features can be useful. Vloggers? The rotating lens gives you some interesting shooting possibilities. And for everyday documentation, having a camera that's already attached to your clothing means you can record hands-free. However, always check the laws and workplace policies in your location before recording other people, especially in professional or law enforcement style situations.